Good day, everyone. We are the Group 7 and our topic for today is all about Chapter 7, Models of Multiculturalism. Models of multiculturalism consist of 7 concepts to master. 1. Role of language. 2. Competition. 3. Conflict. 4. Cooperation. 5. Differentiation. 6. Assimilation. And 7. Amalgamation. Social processes. The ways in which individuals and groups interact, adjust and readjust, and establish relationships and patterns of behavior which are again modified through social interactions. The interaction or mutual activity is the essence of social life. Number 1. Role of language. Social interaction occurs through communication, which is mediated by symbols possessed by individuals in common with others, spoken or written. The greater part of social interaction occurs through verbalized symbols. And for the next one is reported by Jocelyn Machas.
Communicative process rests on what sociologists call consensus. So, ang consensus ay general agreement among everyone. Ito ay yung pagkakasunduan ng isang grupo. And there will be no consensus without communication. Give other example of consensus. For example, sa isang grupo sa isang klase, kapag gagawa ng activity or project, kung ano man yung pagkakasunduan nila kung kailan nila gagawin, kung saan nila gagawin, at kung paano nila gagawin ng isang project or activity, yun ay isang example ng consensus. Next is competition. Competition is a form of opposition or struggle to secure a reward for a goal, such as prize, material, object, position, leadership, prestige, or power. Crucial power, scarcity or limited quantity of goods, service. Example, land ownership. A. Excel and surpass the authority. Ito ay isang paligsahan para makuha yung isang bagay, katulad ng pera or trophy. Pwede rin namang leadership or position sa isang company. Next is types of competition. Personal, aka rivalry, involves direct face-to-face contact. Ang example ng personal competition ay classmates vying with others. Yung pagko-compete ng bawat isa sa isang klase para maging bid honors. Next is beauties competing for pageant. Mga beauty pageants sa iba't ibang lugar. Next is suitors pursuing the same person. Yung panliligaw sa isang babae. And other type of competition is impersonal competition. Personal competition involves struggle between persons or group not directly aware of each other. Example is one who opens a supermarket competing with all others in the same area. For example, sa food court, may iba't ibang mga karinderya na nagtitinda ng pagkain and iba-iba sila ng marketing strategy para makahikayat ng bumili at makabenta sila. And minsan din na sila nagiging aware na nagkakaroon na pala ng competition among the others na nagtitinda din dun sa area na yun. And other example is car manufacturers in US competing car makers in Japan. Yung mga gumagawa ng mga sasakyan sa iba't ibang bansa ay nagkakaroon din ng competition sa kanila.
Conflict, a struggle over values or claims to status, power, and scarce resources in which the claim of the conflicting parties are not only to gain the desired values, but also to neutralize, injure, or eliminate their rivals like fight, duel, hand-to-hand combat in wars, riot, violent strikes, or massacre, rebellion, revolution, and war. Conflict are not always characterized by physical violence. It is also characterized by Cold War, psychological warfare, economic struggle between superpower, intergroup relation marked by hostility, and ethnocentrism. Cooperation. A more specific aspect of human intercourse, one having to do with mutual aid or an alliance of persons or groups, seeking some common goals or reward, by Mack and Peace, 1972. Loyal foster cooperative behavior which requires some sacrifice for the sake of larger group. Germain Scap. When group loyalties are not enough to obtain, their special incentives are necessary. Jassel Scap. Cooperation in the global context. ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, CITAO. Southeast Asia Treaty Organization, NATO. North Atlantic Treaty Organization, EU. European Nation.
Cooperation within the community, barangay cleanup drive, and packing and delivering of relief goods. Types of cooperation. Formal cooperation is of a deliberate contractual nature, prescribing the reciprocal rights and obligations of members. Cooperatives in the Philippines. Formal cooperative. There are various types of formal cooperatives in the Philippines, including agricultural cooperative, credit cooperatives, consumer cooperatives, and service cooperatives. Each type serves a specific purpose and caters to the needs of its members. Formal cooperative in the Philippines is an example of a formal cooperative in the Philippines is in the nagkakaisang magsasaka ng Pantukan Multipurpose Cooperative or NAMAPA MPC. This cooperative is located in Pantukan, a municipality in the province of Davao de Oro, Mindanao, Philippines. The NAMAPA MPC is an agricultural cooperative that focuses on supporting smallholder farmers in the region. Next is symbiotic cooperation, a situation where two or more members of society live together harmoniously and are supportive and independent, resulting in mutual self-interest. Buyers and sellers in the market. Symbiotic cooperatives. Symbiotic cooperation in the Philippines can be understood as mutually beneficial relationships or partnerships between different cooperative entities or sectors that contribute to the overall growth and development of the cooperative movement in the country. These symbiotic relationships often involve collaboration, resource sharing, and mutual support among cooperatives that share common goals and objectives. Example is agricultural cooperatives in the Philippines often engage in symbiotic relationships with market buyers such as wholesalers, retailers, or food processors. These buyers provide a market for the agricultural products produced by cooperative members, ensuring steady demand for the produce. Next is differentiation. One way to reduce or eliminate competition that results in individuals or groups wanting different things or services. Number 1 is division of labor in society. Division of labor in society is a fundamental concept in sociology and economics that refers to the specialization of tasks, roles, and responsibilities among individuals, groups, or organizations within a community or society. This division of labor is essential for the efficient functioning of complex societies and economies, enabling individuals to focus on specific tasks based on their skills, expertise, and comparative advantage. Example is Design and Engineering and Department. The Design and Engineering Department is responsible for conceptualizing and designing the vehicles. Engineers and designers specialize in creating blueprints, prototypes, and specifications for the cars based on market trends, customer preferences, and technological advancement. Next is buying of products. Buying products is a fundamental aspect of economic activity that involves the acquisition of goods or services in exchange for money or other forms of payment. The process of buying products can vary depending on the type of product the seller, the buyer's preferences, and the market conditions. Lastly, enrolling for a course in ISU. Enrolling for a course at the ISU involves a series of steps that prospective students need to follow to secure admission and register for their desired program of study. Next is assimilation, process by which individuals belonging to different cultures are united into one. Assimilation in social relationships means that the cultural differences between divergent groups of people disappear.
American Indians adopted cultural elements of whites abandoning their own culture. So, ang sabi dito, yung mismong kultura nila is nakakalimutan or inaabandon na, and na-adapt nila yung ibang kultura. And so, husband and wives with dissimilar backgrounds often develop a surprising unity of interest and purpose. So, dito, sa pamamagitan ng pagpapakasal, nade-develop nila kanilang relasyon. Factors conducive for assimilation, which is 1. Tolerance. Tolerance helps people to come together to develop contacts and to participate in common cultural and social activities, which is nagpapagitan ng salita upang makit ka or makijoin sa kanilang kultura, and yun, or umagri ka ganon. 2. Close social contact. The close social contact creates a good understanding among people and the group, and this creates a healthy atmosphere in which people exchange their views a better way, which is good communication and pakikitungo mo sa isang tao upang maging mas mabuti ang iyong pakikitungo, ganun. And ito,
equal economic opportunity. The inequality of economic status among of different cultural groups hinder the process of assimilation. The equal economic opportunity facilitate assimilation process. The people or groups having equal economic position become more easily intimate. Ibig sabihin na nito, itong equal economic opportunity refers to the principle that all individuals should have the same chances to succeed economically, regardless of their background, identity, or circumstances. It's about creating a level playing field where everyone has access to the same resources. Common physical trait. The foreign immigrants of the same race can more easily assimilate than those with different races. Common physical traits are characteristics that many individuals within a population share, often due to genetic inheritance or environmental factors. Number 5, cultural similarity. Cultural similarity between two groups or individuals promote assimilation. Assimilation occurs most readily when two culture groups have common language. The first step in assimilation into a new society is therefore to learn language. Cultural similarity refers to the shared characteristics, practices, beliefs, values, customs, and traditions among a group of people. And amalgamation. Individuals or groups come into close contact with one another. It occurs when two different cultural groups establish matrimonial relationships among themselves. It happens through a matrimonial contact or alliance. Amalgamation refers to the process of combining or merging multiple elements, entities, or ideas into a unified whole. In social context, Amalgamation often refers to the blending or integration of different cultural or ethnic groups into a single cohesive society.